I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Laravel to talk to Sqlite. Create the database file in database/database. Sqlite and set writable permissions so Laravel can migrate. Next, open, env and change DB connection to Sqlite, then clear cached config so changes apply. Once done, update config/database. PHP to ensure Sqlite uses database path, database. Sqlite. Now run PHP artisan config. Clear to avoid stale settings. Make sure your PHP PDO Sqlite extension is active before moving on. You now execute the core database work. Generate migrations and models, then run PHP artisan migrate to create tables in your Sqlite file. If you scaffold models with the migration is ready. Edit columns and run migrate. For relationships, enable foreign key checks with DB, statement, pragma foreign keys equals on, in a service provider or migration. Once done, seed sample data with PHP artisan DB. Seed and test queries in Tinker, so you confirm Eloquent is returning expected results. You finish by validating and deploying. Run your test suite and manual checks, ensure the database. Sqlite file persists between requests and backups are in place for production. Make adjustments for concurrent writes. Sqlite is file-based, so connection limits differ from MySQL. If migrations fail or data is missing, first confirm file permissions, then ensure PDO Sqlite is enabled and PHP artisan config clear was executed. Finally, enable pragma foreign keys if relations misbehave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.